set up, then I let it like that. So I actually didn't know that it's streaming. So I just come in. No, I keep seeing my camera, my um, device camera on. I just discovered that something is on with me. Um, Although I came here for Instagram followers, those who I promise to make sure I keep following up with them. But yeah, as I was saying, the market just opened. Euro market is open now, and of course, in the morning tomorrow is when the New York market will open. Then we see what's gonna happen. My Someone asked me for my YouTube. It's a new YouTube channel I created. I'm gonna build more followers there. Currently, we are now up to 100. So the name of the channel is let me check it now. YouTube channel is my channel view channel. I'm so sorry, I'm still learning this thing. Although I'm going to get a very good social media manager who will be able to manage them properly for me. It's at Paragon Pal 5083. Let me know if I could get a link for it. I think there used to be a YouTube link, but if you search at Paragon the Pal, or you could search for Uche Paragon channel, then probably it may open on YouTube. Yeah, and I can see basically I'm live. And it's kind of cool. It's working, but I don't have any view on Facebook. Then I can. Mm, uh, yeah. Hello, guys. Those who are joining me, my page is actually growing because I've done a lot of massive advertisement, massive promotion. I'm hitting almost like 20,000 followers now because I've really done a lot of massive promotion on my page, and I thank my guys who are actually helping me to build this page. I got a new social media manager that is very good on Instagram. So the guy has really helped me. To build the page. If you have something we need to talk about, if you're a trader just open now, market just open now. It presents a good opportunity for some of us. So if you want us to get something, I could just give you a hit how you can make some amount of money now. And why is it necessary that we check market when market opens? I don't know if anyone can answer me that question. Why is it necessary that we check market when market opens? There are reasons why we do that. There are very good potential reasons why we do that. And anytime we see that thing, it's almost like 99% sure of making money. 99% sure of making money. So let me know if someone can answer me that. If you're a trader, I can just say hi. If you are still like being skeptical whether you should go into trading, you can say hey. If you're a trader, just say hi. If you're skeptical, you can say hey. One thing I know about this life is that no matter whatever you do, always try to make money. Never you give excuse for anything. Community for a trader. Never you give excuse for anything. People procrastinate and they want to be rich. How? Okay, not necessarily being rich. People procrastinate and they want to have money. How? It doesn't make sense. Three things you must be doing as person. I used to tell everybody listen. Three things you must do as a habit. Not necessarily giving somebody money. One, when you make money, um, save some of the money, spend some of the money for yourself and family, then you invest the remaining one. Save, spend and invest. I would have said invest, spend and save, but first of all, save some part, you spend some part and you invest some part. Even if it's $10 you're investing, let's say you're a stock investor or you invest in a business, physical business, you're just spending like 10% of your money, you're investing somewhere. Or let's use our market. Let's say you're a cryptocurrency guy. You always use $10 to buy any coin. Just be buying. Maybe anytime you make, even if you make 100,000 naira a month, you just convert $10 or $20, which is about maybe it's 7,000 naira or something, or 10,000. You just buy a crypto. You just keep investing. Or if you're a physical investor, like invest in other things like other normal business or pure water, whatever. Always look for a way where you can multiply that money, because the only way money multiply is when you invest it. That's the truth. Either you put it on fixed income, which may not be okay because that one requires big amount, or you put it in a business or something. That's the only way it can multiply. I see WTI price going up due to Red Sea bandit and AI crude oil stock. Yeah, I bought oil on and I made a lot of profit then. I wouldn't know much about what is going to happen, but so you may need to clap for me and my team. We started a new trading system with a very big reputable broker, and we are hitting almost $2 million. So you need to be part of it. To be honest, you know. So two things you must do with your life. Sorry, my panel from my camera stand. Two things you must do with your life. Three things you do with money: invest money, spend money, and save. The one you save is one you can use for something. Like this year, I've started saving money for Christmas this year. So it's like a ritual what I do almost every year for about 5 to 6 years now. Before I used to tell my PA then to make sure that he saved 3,000 naira for me every day, and he was saving to one of the bank. And that bank I don't used to touch the money there, and that money is what I use for Christmas. Every day once we close from work, he transfer 3,000 naira there. So if I'm saving like 1,000 naira every day now, by December, I'm not one doing it. I just give instruction. Somebody will be doing it for me because I am. That money is something I use. Sorry. That money is something I use for Christmas and stuff like that, free giveaway. So I may say, okay, I'll be saving to 2,000 naira every day, every year. I put a particular bank account. That account, I don't used to get a lot or whatever. I mean, say I'm saving like 5,000 naira every day. And the purpose of saving that money is just for Christmas. So during the Christmas time, buying those rights for less privilege or giving family, friends, spending money, everything. So people don't know. They may think that it's money I just made. That's the money I keep saving. Those minor, minor money. So you could also have a saving system where you save money for your house rent or your children's school and stuff like that. That is saving. It may not have a need for it. You just keep saving some part of money. No matter the pressure, don't spend all your money. Then another one, you just invest somewhere. Because investment can yield income. It has potential of yield income. What is your ticker index name? I don't know. Oh, do you know about the one is the void? Sorry. The one is the void. Please talk to me. Do you know about that one is or the one is? Uh, my production is very poor. I'm so interested on the void. I don't know if you're there. My network was so slow. It was loading very slow. Can someone hear me or it is still slow? Someone mentioned the one to me now. I don't know if I'm still connected to people or I'm slow. Okay. This card. I wish someone that asked me a very important question to come. I don't know if the person is still here. He asked me about a very important question before my internet got disrupted. I know the person's name, but I don't know how he asked me a very important question. I wish he can come here. He asked me a very important question, and my internet uh, got disrupted. It wasn't moving again. Can someone hear me? So if you can hear me, just say hi. And I was asking the question, if you are a trader or you're already making money, you could just say hi. But if you're still contemplating and procrastinating or whatever, you can say hey. Okay, extreme the beat. I think you're an artist. Say hi. Shagden is also hi. Hi. Oh, the traders here. The market just opened now. So I was trying to know if we could just share I don't know how much, if you guys have a good equity. If we just share a hit, we could use this to get a very good opportunity and cash out some amount of money. Many people are traders here. So nobody is contemplating of being a trader, or one sometimes you make money in crisis. Like now that Nigeria is having problem, economic issue and stuff, or some countries in Africa having problem, it's time to like make more money with it. To be honest, that's the truth. That's how you make more money. You try to like navigate. Why is country having problem? Mostly it's not just necessarily because of politicians or whatever. It's also because of the world downturn of structures. Sometimes economic policy also matters a lot to it, of course. But it's also time for people to make money. Like as the country is like this, you see that people are actually making a lot of money from it. So why people are losing money? So what you have to do, try to navigate that area people are making money. Don't shout. Try to look for a way people are making. Yeah, Devoid just joined me now. Devoid DVOID. You just joined me. Devoid, I'm interested on your question. You asked me a very important question. Can you repeat that question, please? So I'm actually streaming on my YouTube at the same time streaming here, and I so love the technology I just connected. So I don't know if more people are with me here. If people are with me, okay, it's a nice one. I can see myself. Let me let me reduce the volume. Oh, it's a nice one. So now, what I wanted has been achieved. So these days, I'll be trading live sometimes. I may not be announcing to you anyway. I'll be trading live when I mean, and especially probably when I'm not in the office, because office I'm not allowed to do some certain things. So when I'm here, I'll be trading live. So if you're on my YouTube, be seeing whatever time I'm trading, you could be watching it and probably be trade. Don't be scared of losses. Whether you see the one losing the one, then that's part of the trading. You just be trading, whether you make profit or not. Somebody say, I see US. Okay, somebody asked me that question. I wanted to answer that. I'm not. It's not that your question is not important. It's not important. I just wanted to answer that default. So can you share your chat? How can I share chat with you? My YouTube is. Let me know if I can type the name. I'm so sorry. I'm learning it. Don't be angry with me. Oh, I even have a phone number I put on there before. Oh, it's nice one. I want somebody who can help me promote my page. Someone who is helping me to promote my Instagram page. I have to do 1,000 there. if those guys who are very experienced in social media marketing and influencing, I will most likely. So my page is PAR. Let me know if I can type it here. The YouTube page is PARAGON DPAL DP. Honestly, I don't like this name. Maybe I will edit it. I don't know how that name came to be. DPAL. Uh, Five. How come this channel will have a name? Maybe if my manager check it, they will know what to do. But if you type this name now, you'll be able to see me on YouTube. Mm, I'm on YouTube now. You could be able to see what I'm doing. So, what is the reason we should check market open? Yeah, perfect. I will discuss that. Gold Commander 100. One of the reason why, let me check if that's the void. Can you I'm waving you now. Can you ask that question again if you are still there? Uh, okay, let me answer the gold. Um, One of the reason why you you should check the market open is because of market gap. Although some brokers um, may widen the spread, even when on weekend they can just widen the spread because market may open at a higher or lower price. And when that thing happen, it become a gap. So if, for instance, the market opens at a lower price, what is ticker symbol name of what is my question was to you? Okay, let me answer this question finish. So if market opens, if market opens with a gap, that gap must close within the week because it's a gap. It's like a jump. It's a very good opportunity. You can use it to make a lot of money. Then if you open with a widening spread, it's also another opportunity. As many you're using EA, you just do set your EA immediately before the brokers will wake up in the morning the next day to fill it to try to like liquidity providers try to compress that gap. You have already made a lot of money within that gap, and they will pay you the money because you leave your trade overnight. Even though because of that gap, even if you leave it, they will still charge their spread, their swap or whatever. You're gonna make a lot of money, massive money, a lot of money. So somebody said, what is the ticker? My question is, do you know about the oneness? Although I'm yet to understand your question. He said, what is ticker symbol name? What is ticker symbol on the oneness? I'm a trader on the oneness. It's a very big exchange. They approved me to trade on their exchange, but they have not signed a portfolio to me. But they have already approved me. So this year, there is one of the portfolios I want to work with. They have millions of euros they are trading, and a lot of asset management company under them. Yeah, so they asked me for 3 years trading history, which I provided to them. So they check all the history, discover that it's okay. Then they approved me to trade for them. For at the same time, I'm also going to work with them through interactive brokers to trade on ETF. But I've not really, since I joined them, they have not assigned portfolio, but I'm not really worried because I have a lot on my desk. So this year, they are one of the things I will work on. So if I make more money now, I will concentrate more on the oneness. So they will now they kind of enlist me on as the one of the guys that are doing well. So their seed investor can connect to my account. So I have 2 years experience, but I'm struggling to capital. So you can go to Proform. It's not easy to get capital. There's nothing you can talk about it. I'll be grateful if you can help me. So I don't help people get fund. It's not even allowed. You know that it's risky. I can't ask somebody to give somebody money to trade for him. That is not even allowed at all. But Profile, you could get Profile account, so it will help you. To be honest, yeah, it's difficult for you to ask somebody to give you money for what? It's not common. It's not common in the market that you want to trade forex or cryptocurrency with his money. No. So you could just like buy a Profile account, or if you're a very good guy, you can meet your brothers or sisters, people around you, share your idea with them. They can raise fund with you. My brother raised fund with me for me when I started trading. It's as simple as if you have somebody. I used to tell people, if you can make money for people, people will give you money. So there's nothing like about it. Your friend can put 200, 300. Even my roommate he used to put money on our trading. Yeah. When I was in school, he put money because he said that will make money. I will show him this thing will make money from it. He put money. Money is around us. Talk to people around you. Show them that you can do something. Then they put money. Then you start trading for them. It's as simple as that. You don't be asking people that you don't know. Probably me. I don't know you. We are verified. I can't source out money for you, or you could be able to like work with pro firm who think that you're genuine that can pay you your money when you make profit. Then also work with them. It's as simple as that. But broker cannot give you fund. That's the truth. Before you get money from brokers, you must be able to work with them, have good relationship with them. To be, I mean, like business plan must be like something they cannot doubt before they can give you their money to trade. Of course, it's very much difficult. Very difficult. What is manual trading? The robot makes things easy. Yeah, of course. Manual trading is like slavery because you have to struggle mentally to execute everything manually. There are sometimes you may even not be able to catch up opportunity that's coming in the market. So why at JP Morgan, 98% of executions are done by artificial intelligence. They are more smarter than us. They don't have emotions. So when you say it risks 5%, that EA or AI will risk only 5%. When you say make 20% profit, it make 20% profit. It's as simple as that. The way you have instructed it and the way it has been programmed is the way they will work. Even people at Wall Street, they all trade with most of them trade with AI. We're in the era of AI, so it's faster, better than human being. You could make like 1,000 executions maybe in a month. Why manually it can't even make up to 10 executions maybe in a week. So you can't compare manual with automated. It happen in the system very quick, no issue. Network, whether network or not, then it will execute. Do trade fundamental analysis. People always ask me this question. There's no way you won't trade fundamental and technical analysis. I still want to know your question. That your question. A tick. What do you mean by tick? The word. I'm interested on you, but you may not know. So can you help the profile? You buy profile from companies. I can't. I don't. I'm not a profile dealer. I don't offer profile. There are many programs there. If you go on Google, many programs I used to see. You can just use any of them. I don't offer profile, and I don't even intend to do that. Somebody asked me to float a profile. I don't want to float it. I don't want profile for now. I don't have the capacity. I don't have the human resources to do it. I trade fundamental. I trade technical. I also trade. Uh, I also trade price action for me. So sorry, I want to make a tea because I'm in the kitchen. Uh, I trade fundamental, I trade technical, I trade price action. In fact, I tried so many strategies. I don't even know how to describe them. It is like when you're a driver, you always drive. So you may have a different kind of driving skill that you cannot explain to yourself because you are now driving based on experience and your observations. This that you have observed so for very long time in the industry is what you use to work. So do you trade fundamental? Yeah. Um, so now the market has just opened. I'm sure my voice is very loud and clear. Yeah. I trade fundamental, I trade technical. The market just opened, and it's a very nice one. Watching Euro USD for you. If you so, can you share your chat, trading chat with us? I can share it, but I don't know how we should hide my capital. I will not show you balance. I will hide this one for you, but I'm using phone and my laptop is here. If you follow me on YouTube, I can share screen there's a software I can use to share it. Sharing my screen with I will have to like change. from here. Let me show you. Someone asked for. Look at the screen now. You see that the market just opened at this point. Uh, the market just opened at the market opened at 1.0930. That is Euro USD, and the Asian market is still the Asian market is just open as well. Um, but technically, there's profit potential to make in USD JPY. There's a profit potential to make here. Somebody need to ask me why. I cannot talk about manipulation on spike on NF because I've not read it. I, I don't usually trade forex for a long time. I trade forex once in a while, so I didn't even trade a non-farm payroll. But I knew it happened on Friday. I don't trade forex. I don't trade forex. I don't trade forex regularly. Yeah, I hate. I hate trading complex things. I like easy money. Mm, mm, Euro USD. I will not say much about that. Something I'm expecting, but it's not on Euro USD. I'm making my analysis based on technical analysis. Why? Because as a trader, I know the thing that can make me trade and the thing that will not make me not to trade. It's not everything that I see I trade, and the things that let me check again. Okay, there's potential opportunity on. Mhm. Okay. Okay, let me check GBP USD. The reason why I don't always open chat, if I open chat, there's no way I will not see where to make money. And before you know it, I will most likely want to trade. Technically, I will not. If you see, I'm adding chat because I don't trade forex. Let me check Australia for you guys. You see that I'm adding those things on my chart. I don't use to trade them. I don't use to watch them. Okay, okay. Mm. So someone said, "Can we see your screen?" Yeah, I'm sharing my screen, and 10 people is here. There's a let me share one secret with you. You see this thing that happened on Australian and on where is it? Which currency? This thing that happened on AUD at 0.66404. So if you buy this currency pair, the stop loss around 0.65775. You put a take profit around 0.68135. You have more potentiality of gaining more, gaining this market and losing it. The same thing to the same thing on USDJPY. So if you sell USDJPY around at this price now, you put a stop loss around 146574. You take profit around 142. 909. Remember, I'm not using the statistic to calculate, so I wouldn't know the percentage. I'm just telling you based on what I'm seeing. You have chances of making more profit than losses. Someone may ask me why. I will explain to you. But on the Euro USD, it really, on Euro USD, it's not really possible. On Euro USD, it's not possible for what I'm seeing now is not what I can explain on Euro USD. Because as a trader, there's one thing you need to know. Try to create something that you will use to make money. Try to know one thing or two things or three things you will use trading. So that is what give you profit. That's what sustain you in the trading. So how about if JPY? I'm sure you are trading this paper. For you to ask me, you may be trading it and probably you're losing money. That is the JPY is Euro JPY. I think Euro JPY. Let me check Euro JPY. Uh, um, mm, mm, mm. Euro JPY. Technically, I will sell. Then I put stop loss of 159. Um, Technically, if I'm to place a trade, I will say, I put a stop loss 159. Technically. Then my take profit, I'll put to 156. And if it drops to 156, 155, I will buy heavily. Mm. So do you think it's bearish? No, it's not bearish. It's bullish. But I mean, currently it's bullish, but most likely it may sell. Like if you want me, if someone want me to make technical analysis here on this market, on this pair, is I would rather prefer to sell off than to keep buying it. Mm. I would rather prefer because one secret is this. As a trader, what I used to check, try to know the price people are buying and the price people are selling. The price people are buying and price people are selling. It helps you. Oh, one for Ghost time said, I thought they said when people don't use people's opinion to decide. As a trader, look for what should make you buy and what should make you sell. If the currency is strong, you can hardly lose money. If too strong, because of one, the chart will feel like hectic, like it will go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. In fact, sometimes that's one of the best way base consolidation type of trading or consolidation type of market, which will give you more money because you can hardly lose. So if you trade it today, the one that is stronger will come down first. Before you know what is happening, in the evening or the next day, the one that is strong that is second stronger will go up. So the market goes like. So what you have to do, you don't enter them in between. You enter them at level of support, level of resistance, level of resistance, level of support. But when one currency is stronger than another one direction, if you want to that you lose money. You may not be able to hold for a long time, and that's what people lose money. When the market is above core, they put places that to drop where you keep going, you can be going for like for a very long time, and you lose. The cryptocurrency is very strong. It's even a very nice market because definitely it will go up and come down. Like before, when the cryptocurrency was so strong, if you don't just go 300 pips, it's bound to come back because of US is strong. I mean, they all compete with each other all the time. These are things you need to identify. You have to know when people are buying and when people are selling. So it helps you to like make a very proper and sound like analysis. I have to buy on crude oil, and I think crude oil most likely going to buy more, but I don't know. Oh, okay, thank you. Mm, it may buy more, but it will not be too strong. It may buy more, but it will not be too strong. That's to be honest. Yeah. Um, it will not. Because last week, I bought oil. I'm hearing the noise. Where is that noise coming from?
I'm just talking about.
It's from here. Because last week, okay, no, before the new year, I bought oil at 73. The price dropped as to 69. And because the account wasn't my account, I put a stop loss. So the account closed at loss. I'm referring to you, Vitamins. So I bought at 73. The account dropped at 69. So because it's not my account, I put a stop loss. If it's on my account, I don't put stop loss because I know what I want to gain. My money must gain before I close it. But because it's not my account, I put stop loss. As you get to stop 69, a cut. Then it has gone back again to that 73. So I'm afraid of buying more unless if I'm going for a long time. But I bought immediately it dropped, and the one I bought again. The board, I'm interested on your chat. If you could send me a chat privately, I would like to know who you are. Because when I posted all the exchange I trade on, I belonged the one you asked me of, because I don't want people to know about it. But I'm surprised that you send me talk to me about it. So I would like to know who you are. Maybe we can be friends. Um, it said, do you trade with options expired? No, I don't trade expired option. In fact, I don't trade option for a long time. But I plan to trade option this year, but I've not gotten a portfolio for it.
I've seen the back.
But the option I trade is free option from the New York Stock Exchange. It's not binary option, no, like proper option. Mm, yeah, I don't trade option for a long time. Mostly I trade on futures for now. Then I also try to navigate to indices, but most of my portfolios are on futures. If you are interested in working with us, many people who are working with our with brokers, trade with and everything, you'll be able to join us this year. We are going on Alpha Trade. Some of us who joined Alpha Trade that time, they could not even verify their account. Now you can be able to verify your account and be able to like, join us as quick as possible. If you want to trade the real deal within the Nigeria, then you can be able to join us.
It's actually good.
Don't you have a question? If I answer your question, just type yes. Someone say what broker do you recommend? I don't really recommend broker, but I have brokers I trade with. Just let me know that the question has been answered. Um, now, let me check another market, Australian market. What happened to me last week is that I gained all my money that I lost. I don't trade the cryptocurrency. FX trading made easy. I don't trade cryptocurrency.
You know what? Oh,
Uh, I don't unless if you want me to do technical analysis, but I don't trade something that's not tangible. Crypto is intangible asset, so it's difficult to know what the guys are doing, and it's controlled by cartels. So I don't want to trade it. I have cryptos I invest on, but I can't really trade it. I just leave it. When it goes up, I gain. So that's the only way you can trade crypto. But try to use it to trade like normal asset is possible. It's impossible. But sometimes you have to follow the government. If you check EU or UK or US, you see that the investment advisors know that this is not a tangible traditional asset to invest. So even them don't know how to regulate it because it's difficult to know where it's going and it's difficult to know who controls it. Yeah, my team trading this is a very nice one, so you can be able to trade. Somebody, mm, forex and commodities more far better. Yeah, even more liquid. People, I have friends who are on crypto. They don't even make profit until now that Bitcoin hits 45,000 for almost like 2 years now. They have been broke. They never even flex. Okay. So I want to say I should check gold. The gold is AUD. Let me check gold. I don't know what gold means here. Let me check gold. Is it gold ETF?
how the fuck?
There's something I want to tell you about gold, Mister. I who's to ask me about that gold? Let me tell you something secretive about gold. And if you use it, you're making money. And I want to be sure I'm telling you that thing. If you want to gold, okay, gold commander from your name, it's like you invest on gold. Let me tell you one secret. Let me just be sure. And if possible, I will share this thing with you. The screen. Are you there with me? Because I'm analyzing the gold in my mind. Okay, he's not even there. Okay, if any other person is interested on the gold, just let me know. Because it's like he's not here. The person who, okay, yeah. See, let me tell you something. Gold is used for hedging, like big investors globally. they use gold for hedging. So now, if you want to trade gold, the easiest way to make good profit in gold is that try to know the buying price and the selling price. Because it's used for hedging, the price is highly regulated and controlled. Use that, take the note of control. The price is controlled, not just like regulated. The cartels who, but let me say, the price of gold is fixed. It's fixed. Now, now, when you check very well, almost like a year, the price of the buying price is almost 2,000, between 19 2,000, and the highest it has gone was 2,100. Now it is still at 2,045, but the selling price is 1.8. The least you can sell is 1.7. I like to do long gold. I've done long deal on gold before. I even wanted to deal on gold and all this Zamfara. Because of banditry, I stop. Now let me tell you, if if you want to trade on gold, don't buy it at a higher price. Look for a cheaper price and buy it and sell it at a higher price. Currently now, the price of gold now is at the buying level. Sorry, is at the selling level, not at the buying level. Forget about anything for a metal, whatever. That is the reality about gold. Try to look for the price that is very. If, for example, if gold is trading around 1.8, 1.718, buy. If price hit 2,000, 2,021, sell. Or sometimes 1,950, sell. That is the range. The big guys who control gold use them for hedging. All the countries all over the world, they mine gold and they put them in reserve as like they reserve them to like to hedge against inflation, the economy, and everything. I don't know what I'm talking about, nonsense. If I'm talking nonsense, just say yes. If I'm not talking nonsense, say no. Oh, I'm communicating. So that is all about gold. Like gold is 2,404 something. I wouldn't like to even say gold. Not to sorry, buy gold. Nothing will make me buy gold. Nothing. Yeah. So use this techniques. When I used to trade on gold, I used to trade gold to the point that I can call Malam on phone or call people in Dubai. Try to ask them how much is gold per ounce. Then I check it in the market. Try to know. Then I decide, okay, if I buy now, what I'm selling, I depend how much they're selling. Then I can decide. So I use the chart. So when the price drop here and call, they will tell me, I will now know, okay, the price have actually also dropped. Then I will buy. Then when the price go up here, I will see that the price has gone up. Then I will look for a way to like sell off. That is good. Okay, don't even read much news about gold. Just follow the trend. You're making money without sweat. Just that it requires so much money. Just that gold requires so much money for you to make profit on it. So it requires so much money. And it is the biggest asset so far. Go and check. It's the biggest asset. Uh, so this year, um, let us find a way for those of us who are interested. Is more interested to I'll be more interested in seeing people making money, no matter how small we are making money. So I don't know if anyone has gotten a business plan. If I have a trading plan, let's work on it. My team will have a plan to know if we could hit like $100 million volume this year, trading volume this year, and we have already setting up some strategies like including reaching out to potential investors and companies to know how we can work that out. You could have your own plan. Maybe you want to like make like let me make it in percentage. You want to like make like 50% increment this year or 100% or 200%. So work that out. It's not good for you to be a trader without a plan. It does not really work out. You need to have that particular plan. There's opportunity we see now. We know that this opportunity will work. You don't do guessing, even though you are a retailer. But doing a guessing trading does not really work. So kind of, I don't. Is there anyone here with a trading plan? Just indicate. I can. You can even join me on chat and explain. Trading plan for forex traders. If you're a trader, you need to have a trading plan. How much do you want to be making per day? How much do you want to be making per week? How much do you want to be making per month? How much do you want to be making per year? And what I have dropped down, you must have it, whether you work 100% or not, you must have it. And your trading plan must be scalable, something that can be realistic. Don't put unrealistic something. So if you have a trading plan that's very much okay based on your strategy, then if you don't even know how to implement it, you could get an EA, implement it so that it will work according to your plan. You can never make mistake because you have already put it that way. If you put it that it should make even maybe 5% every week, that's what how you are able to work it. Somebody shared an EA with me. The guy, I won't mention his name, he was chairman 25 of iMarket Life. He was chairman 25 of iMarket Life. You go and look for him. You know that. So he did a video call with me. That's 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago, and shared an EA. The EA makes 25% profit within 15 minutes. So when he told me, I was doubting it until he called me several times that let him have a Zoom meeting with me and share with me during the New York session. And I was able to come online. We connected. Then you set up the AI and fix it. I was watching the account. It was the $15,000 account. I saw the account go from 15,000 to 16,500 or something. About 15% profit within that 15 minutes, and it was able to execute more than 1,000 trades. So on my LinkedIn, I posted a post concerning the trading plan. I think on my page here, I also posted something about trading plan. If you go on my page, you may see it. So when I was curious about it because that year traded only US 30. I was curious. I wanted to know how it is programmed. And he did it in a way that he shouldn't lose more than $50. That's about plan. He did it in a way that he should not. If you lose $50, they will close for that day. And it took only 15 minutes. And within that 15 minutes, it is closed. You put more than 1,000 thread. We saw all the history. In fact, he sent me the login and password. I have the login so that I can even log in and check, assuming I want the login. Yeah, so like the user password I check, and I saw it live there where he hit 50%. Why he came with a proposal like was he want us to work together. I keep that and I didn't like that Amake life structure that time. So he told me that this one now um, they're not putting networking, they want to go into proper trading. So that this is working, that they want to let us know how it works. Because of that, I was able to be on Zoom with him to see how it works. So now what they did is that the plan was implemented on AI and it's executing according to the plan. That's the effect of AI. It's not that AI will do something without your brain. When you draw a plan, it fits up your plan, everything. Even that he also told me the recommended amount. because it cannot put $100 now. I want to use that. It will not work. The recommended amount based on the plan how it was programmed, and it was working. 15% to 25, 15% and 25, 15, 15 minutes was an incredible. And he turned on New York session. One New York session open, the New York session is very volatile. It move. If it's good, more than 1,000 trades. It was wow. I was even considering whether brokers will approve the year because it traded very fast. Somebody say, our way is 2% to get 4%. No, you can't do 50 risk. You need to do 3 to 1 or 4 to 1 risk. Schedule. If you're a trader, your risk should be lesser than upper lesser than your profit. So 50-50 is risky. But market can be very volatile and go against you, and you see that you're making more losses. Yeah. So if you have a plan, you can let me know about the plan. We can be able to know how we can work on it this year. And let's say I don't know the capacity of all of us that is here. Let's say let us plan to make maybe $1,000 every month. Somebody said I created a model on how to trade options expire for commodity and currencies. Wow, okay, it's a nice model. Devoid. Devoid, I have personally asked appealed for you to chat to me after this call. I want to know who you are. Probably I may also chat you in case you see my message. Please respond. Hmm. Now, back to the chat before I end the call, so that we could go and sleep. It's almost 12 o'clock. Then I may end in the next 15 minutes. Euro USD is most likely going to drop. So if you woke up in the morning, you may see the price lower than it opens. So if you want to join my mom and the AI trading, you will hit me. You could join with $100 and start making money. Then we could work together. Because we want to expand the market. So you will not use your own money and make money. So we could put into the system. You're making money while you're working together. As long as it's working, you create a model that will give you money. That's how money is made by models. I have a certain capital of I have a certain capital of Twitter. I intend making no, it's not possible. FX trading modesty, you're taking 100% risk. You're expecting 100, you are expecting 800% return in 1 year. What business is that? It's much. It's much. No, from $2,000 to $10,000 in a year. Uh, That's is it? That is it's not 800% because 100% would be $4,000. 200% would be yeah. That's 800% in a year. What kind of business? What kind of plan is that? You may end up losing the money, and there's nothing I can tell you about that. Don't the money you work out for. You shouldn't be taking high risk on it. How will you make the trade safe? I know you could make it, but I don't know how possible you could hit. You could be taking 700, 800% risk. Although it's your money, there's no problem about that. But taking so much risk is not really good at all. Mm. Taking high level of risk is not good at all. Uh, USD is also most likely to drop. Most likely, it's most likely to drop in the morning. Maybe before even tomorrow. It's most likely. If you didn't drop, if you don't drop, if you get to if you didn't drop, if you get to 145 or one forces, it may like retrace. Mm, then it may retrace. I personally don't encourage high risk trading, and I don't like to be around high risk trading. I've done it before. This more than the side effect is more than the enjoyment. Mm. Why investment sector is not growing in Africa is because investors don't want to invest in high risk, and traders make them to expose their investment on high risk. So there's no way you could convince anybody, even a regulator. If you like have PhD in finance, how you grow 2,000 to 8,000% in a year, they will allow you to come in. They will always do that it can be possible, but you are taking a very serious risk. Most investors want where the money will be secured, where the risk will be moderate, where the growth will be stable. They know about losses, but they don't want to come and discover that the loss is too much. Yeah. Mm. How they become the biggest? There's no road, no process of becoming the biggest trader. Well, I would just say that people believe people believe that I'm a big trader. That's what people believe. It's not that there's a particular thing special I'm doing or other people are not doing. There may also be somebody that's more bigger that you guys may not know about. Probably uh, people who followed me or whatever just discovered that this guy is doing well. I was surprised to see my name on the blog, to be honest. Yeah, because I don't really like to make so much. Um, and again, too, being consistent in the business is also another thing because I know a lot of people who are doing business with me, trading with me, they are no more trading. If I lose money, I can only talk. Don't tire. If you tire, you go. I continue trading. I already know that trading is all about profit and loss. Yeah, if I get I celebrate, I continue. You come back in 5 minutes, it's called that I'm still training. You say, ah, I sit there, I say, yeah, I'm training. You lose money, I run away and I was angry. So maybe insult you for losing money. I don't care. So maybe call police or call army. I don't care. I will still continue my training because that's what I do for a living. So at the end of the day, you become a celebrity. So consistency, trading on profit, trading on loss, just trade. You make money because my work is to make money. That's what I do for a living to make money. I don't get salary from people or whatever. So yeah, if I make money, I get paid. If I lose money, I got nothing. So it's my work just to make money. Yeah, if you do the same thing, you will have chances of becoming a trader. Because there must be time you hit money. That's good. Then now from there, it now began to like connect with the right industry. They're trying to do things they are doing right, and then you're not. You begin to do those things they are doing. Like I want to discourage my friend who are targeting 8,000% in 1 year. I want to discourage you not to do it. Get a moderate plan. That could be it. Okay. I don't know you're listening. The moderate plan could be very much okay. I was so scared of that year that I get to 5% in 3 weeks. I was even till I'm so scared about it. I don't know how possible it would be on a real business deal. How you can tell somebody come make 25% within an hour. It sounds like a points like Ponzi or get rich quick something, people will be scared of you. To be honest, you need to be something realistic. Yeah, that was just what I told you. This is too realistic. How? So I really have interested to be a trader, sir. But what is your advice as a beginner? Join a trading firm. If you join our firm, don't use your own money to start it early. Like trading be by yourself. But you can join a firm like us and begin to work towards it. As you're learning. Yeah, portfolio will be trading, you're making money in both ways. It's all about sustainability of flow of cash. It will help you from when you're learning through your life account. It will help you build your psychology, build your mind. You begin to understand how the system works. I have Telegram channel, but I hardly post on that page. To be honest, it's not easy. But I want to get a social media manager that is managing them. So even if I open them, even if I start posting there, I don't expect that it will be from me. To be honest. I don't expect to be from me, to be honest, because I may not necessarily come. This social media life needs attention. You need a manager. You need somebody to be able to like manage those things because I saw that the life there is different. More people are there want to talk to you, but you also have life here physically. other things you want to do. So you may need a manager that will be able to handle some of them. To make sure that people who want to connect with you through the social media can also be able to get what they are looking for from you. So, what is the terms and conditions of joining your team? My team doesn't have a terms and condition because you join the brokers you are working with. Then, when you make money, you charge performance fee. The money will be with our brokers. I will have about revenue stopping the list. If you check my page, the post I shared on this afternoon on my page is from Avatar. It's copy and it's a screenshot, so you can't doubt it. So you put you money is there. You can join our multi-asset trading system. Then we get performance fee from any profit that we make from clients. Then, but there's some eligibility we look for. You must be able to know to have some amount of money. No, don't carry all your money you need for other things like to take care of your wife or children and put in credit. No. So because we don't really take high risk, we try to make sure that we are very much okay when we are trading. So that's how a beginner can come in. This kind some of us started like that. We started where we create a system that give us money, and also a system that allows us to learn. That's how we started. We didn't start one way. System was giving us money. We are learning the system. But sometimes I will lose money. Well, I will still make money the other way. That's how it works. From there you grow. Don't always think that only your own money is enough. You create a system that will giving you the passive income. Yeah. So I have 4 minutes okay, I have 6 minutes to let us go. If you have a question, you can ask me now. Let me check if one market has opened. The US started now just open. Let me check. Yes, US started just open, and there was a small jump. Okay, yeah. Let me show you the what I was telling you. The reason. Yes, there's a jump in US started. Let me share with you guys. Um, uh, why did US start to open in the morning? Is it morning in New York? No. Okay, no, this is US 500. Yeah, yeah, it's also US market. Oh, yeah, it's open. I can see it's opening. Now, look at the gap I told you of. The market just open on gap. Sometimes when you see gap like this, it's most likely going to cover just in coming days. So it's a very good time to make profit on it. That's the truth. So you sell US 30, you can plan to exist. You can plan to exist around 4 7:30. People who trade this. Sorry, this is not US 30. Sorry, this is US 500. Let me check US 30. It may still have the same thing. Yes, US 30. Let me check US. Okay, okay. US 30, US 30 don't have any open gap, but US 500 has a serious open gap. So you may maximize this opportunity and make good amount of money. Even me personally, I will trade it. Yeah. And there is this thing here, a strong resistance at this point. You see this point? It's a strong resistance. It's a strong resistance on US 30. The rising trend may not be able to reach 4745. Or even if you break that point, it will not get to 4759. It will not. So it may be within here, probably here. So, but you see this gap. You see this gap. It's a very good opportunity for people. Let me check how many pips here. That's about how many pips here? That's about 40 pips. Mm, about 40 pips. So imagine you have $100 account. You may be able to hit. Um, let me let me try to sell it. US 500. Yes. let me try to sell it with small, because this is a life account. Yeah, I just sold. I just sold US 30 now. Yeah. And I will check what's going to happen in the morning about it. And I will still sell it again after life because I have other accounts I will try to experiment it. So another thing you need to do, another thing you need to do to be a trader is don't procrastinate. Sometimes what you think will not give you money will give you money. Try to experiment everything. So I'm a trader with experiment. Anything I do is what I practice. Mhm. So any question, what advice for a beginner? A beginner, make sure you have money. Don't start with small amount of money as a beginner. Where can I sign up? So send me a private message. I will show you how to sign up. I cannot drop the link here. If you want to sign up with our firm, send me a message. I will show you. Make sure you're interested to sign up. If you're a time waster, I won't talk to you. To be honest. Uh, see, that rate is gaining. I know. That gap most likely going to cover. To be honest, it will definitely cover. So any question? I think we have shared a valuable insight, and we have also identified opportunity that we can make money on. What are the opportunity we are refining is US 30, and we talk about is it JPY, Euro JPY. Then we talk about USJPY. We talk about US. What about me is that I don't do complex analysis. My analysis is very simple. I don't like to talk about so many things. It's all about what price do I buy, what price do I sell. So as you can see, even euro now, actually the price is going to close low. The euro is already going low already. As many people buy sell it at that time, it has gone low. Uh, it has gone low. Let me say, it has gone low. It has gone low about 30 pips or something. One to the top point. One to the 2 point is about that. If you want to about 12 pip. No, no, about let me check it on small time frame. I can see the gap is covering. I said it. Let me check on small time frame. Yeah. Okay, yeah. So guys, it's 12:30 your time, and this is why we call it a day. So those who have wife will not be angry with them. Those who are with their side chick, the side chick will not be like start chatting to another guy. Yeah. Who are with your girlfriend won't be angry with you. Those who want to take care of the family, family will be. I'll give you. I wish you all the best, and I have a good time. I'll be on the comment section to be able to, sorry, on the chat, my chat inbox in the next 30 minutes to be able to like assist those who want to join us. Thank you, and I have best sleeping, best sleeping time.
I shouldn't have done this, bro.
Sorry,
I shouldn't have done this shit,
I
bro.
know that here is mostly my this is over in my stream
This is what- Oh shit.
end stream.